Game na. So we'll start na po.
Hello, am I audible? Should I open my camera or not?
Sir, pwede po lang po for
Audible po ba?
Yes po.
Okay. Can we start na po?
Yes po.
Okay po. Hello po, sir and Sir Jai, and good evening. Welcome to Inside the Outsource. I want to start by thanking you for taking the time to join us for this online interview. We are excited to learn about more about you and discuss how you might contribute to our group. But before that, I'm gonna introduce myself. I am Ivy Joy Stan, the leader of this group, and here are my group members.
So, good evening po. My name is Arabella Grace A. Alolod, but you can call me Ara po. And we are from Batangas State University po. Our course is Bachelor of Science Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management po.
Good evening po, sir. I am John Vincent Bersano po.
Good evening, Sir Jai. I'm Jeremy Espiritu po.
Good evening, sir. I am Princess A. Natal po.
Good evening, Sir Jai. I'm Mark John Parado po.
Hello, good evening everyone. By the way, my name is Jay Asido. I am currently working in a BPO industry wherein I work in BGC, and I guess that's all.
Okay po. So during this interview po, we'll ask you a series of questions about your skills, experiences, and insights. So our first question po is, can you tell us about yourself po and why are you interested in becoming what you are right now, a process specialist po?
Yes po.
Okay.
Hello, by the way, as I said before, my name is Jay Asido. So I am interested in becoming a process specialist as a vendor master, wherein I am partner with accounts payable. So what we do there is the accounts payable request us to onboard a bank and pay site, so the supplier will be paid. And that is my passion, I guess, procurement.
Thank you po. And next question, Ara.
Good evening po. For our next question is, can you describe a time when you went above and beyond to help a customer or improve a process?
So that's the time that I did a help desk, and what I actually did is I helped the supplier to onboard the supplier easy and smooth, and that's actually what we're doing in help desk. So when the supplier asks us or the business partner asks us what should be the next steps to onboard the commodity, the banks, and the pay site, so we're helping them, and I actually did help them. Like I I sent them the supplier onboarding guide, wherein it's our standard procedure. And I was praised, and I think that's kind of great.
And next
po.
question po, Sir Jai. How would you approach achieving quality assurance metrics in a BPO environment po?
So to achieve metrics in a BPO, the first thing you should do is follow the standard procedure. Next is you should meet your KPIs. So you shouldn't have audits, escalations, and other dissatisfaction from the customer. So I guess that's how you achieve the metrics in BPO.
For the next question, do you have experience working for a process? Which do you prefer and why?
Thank you. So I don't have any experience in a voice processor or as a voice call center agent, but before I work in Accenture, and what I do there is non-voice processor and it's accounts payable. So I really prefer non-voice because I am not that good when it comes to verbal and not comfortable speaking to customer. So yes, I prefer a non-voice processor.
So next question po, sir. BPO jobs often involve high pressure situation. Sir Jai, how do you manage stress and maintain performance?
Yeah, that's really true that BPO often involves high situation. And yeah, so how do I manage it? I often go to the gym to relax myself, to relax my mind. I do meditations. And then to achieve, I guess it helps me to clear my mind and achieve the metrics in BPO.
Yes, thank you so much po.
Again, thank you, Sir Jai, for taking the time to speak with us today po. So yes, I totally agree that effective stress management is key in the fast-paced BPO industry. So speaking of high pressure environments po, how do you collaborate effectively with teammates, especially during peak workloads po?
So what I do to collaborate with other teammates is I talk to them efficiently and discuss the situation. What are we currently facing? And so the first thing to do is what should we finish first? Of course, it's the priority one because it has SLAs and we can't afford to lose our SLAs because we're gonna pay the customer instead the customer paid us. Thanks.
Good evening po ulit, sir. For my question po is, how do you ensure compliance with data privacy and security guidelines when dealing with sensitive customer information po?
So the first thing we do is our data should be encrypted. And next, when you're doing an email, having confidential information like bank account numbers, you should always check the CC if it is the same of the supplier's email. And thing is, we don't leave our desktops open. So to avoid like data discrepancy and theft.
Thank you po, sir.
So, thank you po for sharing your insights po about your job. So, may additional question lang po ako, like, how many years na po kayo nagtatrabaho sa BPO industry po? Like, hindi po namin natanong at the first place dahil dumiretso na po kami sa mismo.
So before I work at Accenture for 3 months, and currently I am working for around 8 months, I guess, as a Japanese bilingual process specialist.
Thank you po. Thank you po for your insights po about BPO and your work po. Thank you so much po for joining us today and sharing your insights and experiences. It's been an absolute pleasure learning more about your skills, unique qualities that you share. We truly appreciate the time and effort you dedicated to us for this interview. Sorry po kung medyo makulit po kami about the schedules dahil po medyo natatambakan din po kami. Pero thank you po pa rin sa entertain po sa amin kahit po gabi na and lagpas na po siya sa inyong working hours.
It's okay naman po.
Thank you po.
Thank you,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much po. And
Thank you
that's
for
all. That's all. This is Inside the Outsource, digging deep into the people and the processes that power the BPO industry. Thank you so much for having us and sharing your time, Sir Jai. Thank you so much po.
thanks everyone. Thank you. Hanggang pala.
Before we before we end this call po, can we have a virtual picture po
Po.
Sure.
for documentation po? Thank you po. Thank you
Thank you
po.
so